Hello, welcome to our channel, Strong Foundation Spanish Lessons. This is Teresa.
And this is Francisco. The objective of this series is to learn how to correctly pronounce words in Spanish to better speak and read it. We'll practice with short sentences where the consonant we are studying today will be at the beginning, middle, and/or at the end of the word.
By learning the basics, you will gradually learn how to read words correctly and better implement them into your Spanish lessons. We recommend watching the series from the beginning, starting with our video on the alphabet in Spanish. The link is in the description.
In this video, we will learn how to combine the consonant N with the 5 vowels.
Listen and then repeat a consonant N in Spanish. Ready? N. Again, N. Great job! Now let's combine the consonant N with the vowels. Repeat after me. Na. Ne. Ni. No. Nu. Great job! Now let's read a sentence with a syllable na. Like in nadar. Él aprendió a nadar.
He learned how to swim.
Next, repeat after me. Ne. Again, ne. Very good. Let's read a sentence with a syllable ne, like in nevando. Ha estado nevando todo el día.
It's been snowing all day. And if you liked the video so far, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to turn on notifications.
If you know someone is having trouble learning Spanish, please share our videos. Next, repeat after me. Ni. Again, ni. Great job! Let's read a sentence with a syllable ni. Like in niña. La niña es feliz.
The little girl is happy.
Now, repeat after me. No. Again, no. Nice job. Let's read a sentence with a syllable no. Like in noticias. Ellos acaban de ver las noticias.
They just watched the news.
Next, nu. Repeat after me. Nu. Again, nu. Well done. Let's read a sentence with a syllable nu. Like in nublado. Está muy nublado.
It's very cloudy. That'll be all for today.
And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to turn on notifications. You don't want to miss any of our new videos. We'll be uploading one video per week. Hasta la próxima!